You know, one of the best moments I had in 2016 and one of the best lessons I've learned this year was that trading was a journey. Yeah, like when I made 2,000, in that week and 3,000 for that month, I thought I was gonna be rich by the summertime. And when I mean rich, I mean 70K, 80K, 100K, right? But as time went on, I realized now there's ups and downs. Trading is a zero-sum game. If I win, somebody else is losing, right? And I knew it was gonna take years to actually get to where I wanted to get to. Like, this is gonna take some practice, this is gonna take some effort, and I was willing to babysit. And that's the thing, I was willing to babysit as long as I could until I get this thing correctly. I didn't care if it took 7 years. I was gonna be a 29-year-old babysitter. I'm only 26 right now, but I was gonna be the best 29-year-old babysitter in the world. I didn't care. I was going to stay there until this thing panned out for me. Maybe it would have, maybe it wouldn't have, but I'd like to be more optimistic at that time at 21 years old and be like, this is gonna work out eventually. I don't see myself putting 5 years into this market and not at least making 5,000 a month. I don't see that, right? I was very, very optimistic at 21 years old. And that's the great thing about it. But the crazy part about it is a lot of people watching this video, you guys are a part of my community, so you know me, but people coming across the market for the first time, they expect your second year to be crazy. You got to be making millions, if not six figures in your second year, and that's just not the case. They don't expect that with basketball, playing 2 years and going right to the NBA. When you're a doctor, you can't just put 2 years into medical school and start operating on patients. You can't. You got to go to medical school for a while. They do that with every single job. But when it comes to trading, in your second year, you got to be making six figures. And, I was part of that group that thought I would do that. But the best part about me is I wasn't shying away from the market when it didn't give me that. I didn't say, you know what, I'm just going to fall back and be like, this is not for me. I was literally seeing the growth month by month by month. And why would I stop my own growth? I wasn't going to do that. That's why I said the very first thing I said in this video is my second year of trading results will blow you away, because it will. It's not $500,000. It's, last year was, a profit of $20, $2, $50, $60. Oh, profit this year is $800, $1,950, $1,650, $2,000, $3,000, $500, $400. Yeah, there's some blown accounts. There's some lessons learned. Had a chance to make $25,000 if I wasn't being an idiot with a girl I just met. We lowered our lot size and we missed out on Brexit, but these are experiences that happened, and that's what I want you guys to take away. I got to travel with my friends and study Forex. A lot of things happened in my second year that turned out for the better. Obviously, when you guys see my third year, my fourth year, my fifth year, and my sixth and my seventh year of trading, but second year was a monumental year for me because that was the year where I made my biggest profit at the time, and I decided to drop out of school.